this. It's like...
Start wailing up.
Wake him up, wake him up.
That doesn't open, it slides. Yeah, you!
Wisdom of life right now, 2025.
This is art. There's a stick, another stick, 2 leaves, a burnt leaf, and a pine needle. But look underneath. That's where the surprise is. I was a cop. He didn't turn around. Or else I would have to run. How fast?
You're telling me to get in this vehicle?
Yes. It's open.
All right, let's do it.
Max.
Hey guys, what's up?
Where's Max?
Is he in the...
I came from the cabin and now I'm at your house. Mode of transportation, kayak.
You wash? I'm like, yes. Yes, you do.
My goodness.
But I think she's good.
Oh, you are so cute.
Get down.
Oh my goodness.
It's getting so big.
Yeah. This is so adorable. Yeah.
Oh!
Nice bass.
I know, it rhymes with...
Okay, ready?
Yep.
So come get this. Can't pull the
Just with the bird on her head. Oh no.
Max, this is my gift to you.
In all its glory.
You can't moan like that.
Zin. Oh no! No!
Let's play The Night Begins to Shine.
Wait, is it the kind of...
Josh!
That's fine. I'm disappointed.
You never responded to my text.
You look like a demon. Your eyes are red.
Jack Sparrow.
This is Captain Jack Sparrow, man.
I mean, that rule's like a prescribed...
Heading to Minneapolis, Minnesota, to the Mall of America for the Midwest Regional Yo-Yo Contest.
Check, hey, 1.
No, you can say my hot.
In 4th place, Levi White.
Just got done with the Midwest Regional Yo-Yo Contest. I placed 4th, so that got me a semi-final seed at Nationals in Las Vegas in 2 weekends. So that's very exciting. I just said bye to my family because now I'm going to Pennsylvania and will be living in Pennsylvania for 6 weeks to be a parkour and trampoline coach at Woodward, Pennsylvania. So it's time to drive again. Woo! Chicago, Illinois. Raising Cane's.
My face, I don't want nothing in return.
We have made it to Indiana, and I hate tolls. We have changed time zones. It is now 2 in the morning in Indiana, and I still hate tolls. Why do they exist? I already pay taxes. Good morning, Ohio. It smells like cow shit. All right, let's get out of this state. I got this thing at a gas station. He called it like a pepperoni bun or something like that. It looks incredible. I'm really excited about it. It was like $4. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. Dude. Dude. This is the best $4 I've ever spent in my life.
Elevator up to 4201. We was still a secret, couldn't come in through the front. Girl, I had your back when all you used to do.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.